Hi, I am Swami, Sales Manager from Radhey Skye. I am thrilled to announce updates about the project progress. Firstly, to give you a background, I would like to tell you that Radhey Constructions was the first recognized Kollur potential back in 2023, paving the way for its evolution into a vibrant residential hub. Since then, we have successfully completed 3 landmark projects that have greatly enhanced the area appeal and infrastructure. Our commitment to quality and innovation has now only down home buyers but also fueled remarkable growth in Kollur. We understand the importance of being updated about the project status, so let me show you. In Block B, we are currently working on the plinth, beam and grade slab, establishing a solid foundation. C block is focused on B2 slab, shuttering that the transfer slab in the D block has been completed, while E block has the B1 level slab shuttering in progress. In F block, we are constructing column up to the transfer slab. Finally, in G block, the transfer slab concrete has been successfully poured.